Hello everyone, today I have squash soup. It's butternut squash and calabaza and carrot and presented in this beautiful bowl. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you, that means a lot to me. Now let's get started. If you want to read recipe, you can go into the description box below. So I have aromatic ingredients here: garlic, ginger, shallot, and I am mincing them right now. So beside those aromatic ingredients, I have one butternut squash and about a quarter of one calabaza squash and one carrot. We used to go to eat soup in the cafes. They normally sell the soup in cups, in medium, small, medium and large cups, and we liked it. So since COVID, we cannot go out eating, we make it at home. I made it at home, and it's very easy to make, so you might give it a try. The key to make a flavorful soup that you started to stir fry on the aromatic ingredients until they fragrant, and then you add your onions and later on squashes. So I'm ready mincing the garlic, ginger, shallot. Now I'm cutting the onion. I have two kinds of onions here, red and white, and green onions as well. Now I'm done chopping the onions. I start to peel the squash. This is how you do. Normally people are intimidated by the size, the whole size, or the whole squash, because they don't know how to peel, how to handle it. But you see, I do chop it into small pieces and I cut it from there. Now I peel and chop the carrot. You notice that I cut them in all the carrots and the squash into chunks. And depends on your blender. If they are weak, you should chop small sizes. Now I'm cutting the butternut squash. The end of it I hollow out and make a bowl out of it to present the soup in it later. I made one earlier, and this one I will chop to cook together, but I already made one. Like you see in the beginning of the video, I presented the soup in that homemade vegetable bowl. Now I already done chopping and let's start cooking. I add the olive oil here, but if you don't have olive oil, you can get any oil, it doesn't matter. I use olive oil for my husband. So when I cook the aromatics ingredients like this, I use high heat, and when the skillet, the pan hot and the oil hot, I add garlic, ginger and shallot. You notice that I also add some green onion here. And I let it stir fry until fragrant. That's the secret from me to you, because that makes all the difference when you wait for them to be fragrant. And when it's fragrant and blondie a little bit, and you add other ingredients, then now I add this red and white onions and stir fry for them to cook. And then now I add squashes and carrots. For the seasoning, I use parsley, garlic powder, and no salt seasoning. My husband doesn't eat salt, so I use no salt seasoning. This is very great powder, because I got the label. It says 36 herbs to make this. No salt seasoning. So now I add my vegetable broth. This is how I cook my vegetable broth. On the trimming, on the vegetables you want to go into the broth, you put them all together. Now my pan cooking for a while. Now, I check the tenderness now, and when it's done, with my chopstick, I turn up the heat and blend it now. You can see I use the stick blender, but you can use it in food processor or your blender. At this point, if you want to add cream like people do, you go ahead and preheat it if you want to. But my husband doesn't eat cream, except for his coffee. So I presented it on a plate and in a bowl. It looks beautiful and tastes very good. Thank you for watching. Give it a try. Come back, see me soon. Bye bye.